fresh, fast, and bloody delicious. Hello and welcome, Sambath Visal here, and today I'm absolutely thrilled to show you how to whip up some truly stunning fruit juices right in your own kitchen. Forget those sugary, shop-bought cartons that have been sitting on a shelf for who knows how long. We're talking about proper, vibrant, life-giving juice made with fresh, beautiful ingredients that you can get your hands on easily. In just a few minutes you can create something that not only tastes incredible but is packed with goodness. This isn't just about chucking a few bits of fruit in a blender, it's about understanding flavor, texture, and getting the balance just right. We're going to explore some fantastic combinations, perfect for kickstarting your morning, giving you that afternoon boost, or just enjoying a healthy, refreshing drink whenever you fancy. These recipes are designed to appeal to everyone, whether you're in America or Europe, with flavors that are both familiar and excitingly new. Think zesty citrus bursts, sweet berry concoctions, and even a touch of the tropics. The best part? It's all incredibly simple. No complicated techniques, no fancy equipment needed beyond a decent juicer or blender, just pure, unadulterated fruit, transformed into liquid gold. So roll up your sleeves, get your favorite fruits ready, and let's dive into the wonderful world of homemade juices. I promise you, once you taste the difference, you'll never look back. We'll cover everything from a classic orange juice done properly, to some more adventurous blends that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling utterly revitalized. It's about making healthy eating a pleasure, not a chore. Right. Are you ready? Let's make some bloody brilliant juice. Right, first up we're making a tangy citrus blend that'll wake you up better than any alarm clock, trust me. This is all about those bright, zesty flavors that just scream good morning. We're talking oranges, lemons, and a touch of lime for that extra zing. Forget that dull, concentrated stuff, we want the real deal. Get yourself some beautiful, ripe oranges, smell them, they should be fragrant. Then a couple of lovely lemons, not too hard, not too soft. And a cheeky lime, because why not? It adds a beautiful sharp note that cuts through the sweetness perfectly. Now, the preparation is key, but it's dead simple. Give your fruits a good wash. You don't want any pesticides or wax in your gorgeous juice, do you? Then, depending on your juicer, you might need to peel them. If you've got a good masticating juicer, sometimes you can get away with leaving some peel on for extra nutrients, especially with organic fruit. But for a smoother, less bitter taste, especially with lemons and limes, I'd recommend peeling. Cut them into manageable chunks that will fit into your juicer. Don't just hack at them, treat them with a bit of respect. Then, it's showtime. Feed them into your juicer, alternating between the orange, lemon, and lime. Listen to that sound. That's the sound of pure freshness being extracted. Watch that vibrant liquid gold pouring out. The aroma alone is incredible. You want a good balance? I usually go for about 2 oranges to 1 lemon and half a lime, but you can adjust it to your taste. Some like it sharper, some sweeter. That's the beauty of making it yourself. You're the boss. Pour it into a chilled glass, maybe with a little slice of orange on the rim if you're feeling fancy. Absolutely stunning. Next, we're diving into a sweet berry medley. This one is a real crowd pleaser, especially if you've got a bit of a sweet tooth but still want something incredibly healthy. We're talking strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, a proper explosion of berry goodness. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, so not only does this juice taste divine, but it's also doing you a world of good. Use fresh berries if they're in season and looking gorgeous. Otherwise, good quality frozen berries work brilliantly here too, and they make the juice instantly colder, which is lovely. Preparation for this is even easier. Give your fresh berries a gentle wash. If you're using strawberries, hull them. Just remove the green leafy tops. Blueberries and raspberries can pretty much go in as they are. There's no need for peeling or complicated chopping here, which is fantastic. The key is to get a nice mix. I like a good handful of each, but again, play around with the ratios. If you love strawberries, add more. If blueberries are your thing, go heavy on those. It's your juice, your rules. Now for berries, especially if you want a smoother, thicker juice, a blender often works just as well as a juicer, if not better. If you use a juicer, you'll get a clearer juice, but you might lose some of the lovely fiber. With a blender you keep everything. You might want to add a tiny splash of water or apple juice if it's too thick for your liking just to get it moving. Blend until it's beautifully smooth and vibrant. The color of this juice is just incredible, a deep, rich, purpley red. Pour it into a tall glass. Honestly, it's like dessert in a drink, but so much healthier. Delicious. Alright, let's talk about a true classic fresh squeezed orange juice. Now I know what you're thinking, Gordon, it's just orange juice. But trust me, there's a world of difference between a hastily made OJ and a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. It's a breakfast staple for a reason, but so many people get it wrong or settle for less. We want that pure, unadulterated sunshine flavor, bursting with natural sweetness and that little bit of tang. It's all about selecting the right oranges and treating them properly. For the best orange juice, you want oranges that are specifically good for juicing. Varieties like Valencia or navel oranges are fantastic. They should feel heavy for their size. That means they're full of juice and have a bright, vibrant color. Give them a gentle squeeze. They should have a little give, but not be mushy. Avoid any oranges with soft spots or a dull appearance. And please, whatever you do, make sure they're at room temperature before you juice them. You'll get much more juice out of them than if they're fridge cold. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Now, you can use a simple citrus press, an electric juicer, or even just squeeze them by hand if you're feeling energetic and only making a glass or two. Cut the oranges in half across the middle, not from top to bottom, then get squeezing. If you're using an electric juicer, don't press too hard, or you'll start grinding into the bitter pith. We just want the sweet juice. Strain it if you prefer no pulp, or leave it in if you like that extra texture and fiber. I quite like a bit of pulp myself. Pour it into a chilled glass, no added sugar, no water, nothing, just pure glorious orange juice. It's simple, yes, but when it's done right, it's unbeatable. Ready for a trip to the tropics without leaving your kitchen? This tropical pineapple delight is pure sunshine and escapism in a glass. We're taking a beautiful ripe pineapple and pairing it with a hint of coconut water for that authentic island vibe. Pineapple is naturally sweet, a little bit tangy, and incredibly juicy. It's also fantastic for digestion thanks to an enzyme called bromelain. So this isn't just delicious, it's doing your tummy a favor too. Finding a good pineapple is key here. Look for a pineapple that has a sweet, fragrant smell at its base. The leaves in the crown should be fresh and green, and you should be able to pluck one out with a gentle tug. That's a good sign of ripeness. The skin should be golden yellow, not all green. To prepare it, you'll need a sharp knife. Lay the pineapple on its side, slice off the top crown and the bottom. Then stand it up and carefully slice off the tough outer skin, working your way around. Make sure to remove all those little brown eyes. Then, quarter it lengthwise, cut out the hard woody core from each piece, and chop the flesh into chunks. Once your pineapple is prepped, it's ready for the juicer. Feed those golden chunks in and watch that beautiful, frothy juice emerge. Now, for that tropical twist, we're adding a splash of coconut water. Not the sweet, creamy coconut milk, but the clear, refreshing coconut water. It adds a subtle, natural sweetness and a lovely hydrating quality. Add about a quarter cup of coconut water to every cup or so of pineapple juice, or adjust to your preference. Give it a quick stir. Pour into a tall glass, maybe with a wedge of pineapple on the rim, and a little paper umbrella if you're feeling playful. This is a holiday in a glass, absolutely gorgeous. Right, for our final juice, we're going green. But don't be scared. This green apple and spinach boost is surprisingly delicious and incredibly good for you. It's the perfect way to get a serious hit of nutrients and energy, especially if you're not a big fan of eating piles of leafy greens on their own. We're using crisp green apples for a lovely tartness and natural sweetness, and fresh spinach, which is packed with iron and vitamins. It's a powerhouse combination that will leave you feeling fantastic. For the apples, go for something like a Granny Smith. They have a wonderful sharpness that balances the earthiness of the spinach. Give them a good wash and you can choose to core them. Or, if your juicer is powerful enough, leave the core in for extra nutrients. Just remove the pips if you can, as they can be a bit bitter. Chop them into pieces that will fit your juicer. For the spinach, you want fresh, vibrant green leaves. Give them a thorough wash to remove any grit. A good couple of big handfuls should do it. Don't be shy with the spinach, it wilts down a lot when juiced. Now when you're juicing this, it's good to alternate between the apple and the spinach. This helps the juicer process the leafy greens more effectively. The apple helps to push the spinach through. You'll see this incredible bright green liquid emerging. It looks so healthy. If you find the flavor a little too green for your liking, you can add a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten it up, or even a small piece of ginger for an extra kick. But honestly, the sweetness of the green apple often does the trick. Pour it out, take a sip, and feel that goodness flooding your system. It's a brilliant way to start the day, or as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. So there you have it. 5 absolutely brilliant, incredibly easy homemade fruit juice recipes that will transform your day. From that zesty citrus kickstart to the sweet berry delight, the classic OJ, a taste of the tropics with pineapple, and that powerful green booster, there's something here for everyone. You've seen how simple it is to take fresh, beautiful ingredients and turn them into something truly special in just a matter of minutes. No more excuses for reaching for those unhealthy, sugary drinks when you can create liquid gold like this in your own kitchen. I really hope you're feeling inspired to start juicing today. Experiment with these recipes, tweak them to your own taste, and don't be afraid to try your own combinations. The possibilities are endless. Juicing is such a fantastic way to get a concentrated burst of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, and it's a delicious way to increase your fruit and vegetable intake. Plus, there's a real satisfaction in making something yourself, knowing exactly what's gone into it, just pure, natural goodness. Thank you so much for joining me, Sambath Wiesel. I've had a blast sharing these with you. Remember to get the freshest ingredients you can find, treat them with a bit of love, and enjoy the process. Start juicing today and enjoy these flavorful, vibrant drinks that you can whip up anytime you need a healthy, refreshing boost. Cheers to your health and happy juicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this. See you next time.